Welcome back to Rolling Legends, the channel where we bring you the boldest, most refined rides redefining the road. Today, we're diving into something unexpected, yet undeniably exciting: the 2025 Range Rover Sedan. Yes, you heard that right, the iconic British brand, long associated with luxury SUVs and off-road dominance, is stepping into unfamiliar territory with a high-end luxury sedan, and they're doing it in pure Range Rover style. At first glance, the 2025 Range Rover Sedan grabs your attention with a design that's sleek and elegant, yet unmistakably Range Rover. The front grille still carries that proud, wide-set look, framed by sharp LED headlamps and a sculpted hood that flows effortlessly into a smooth, aerodynamic silhouette. It's slower, leaner, and more refined than any Range Rover before, but still carries the DNA of its SUV siblings. Step inside, and it's a different level of luxury. The cabin is everything you'd expect from Range Rover: a plush leather, real wood trims, ambient lighting, and an airy sense of space. The dashboard is minimalist yet high-tech, with a curved OLED display that merges infotainment and driving data in a seamless sweep. Voice controls are smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever, thanks to the latest AI enhancements from Jaguar Land Rover's Pivi Pro system. Rear passengers aren't left out through massaging seats, personal climate zones, and digital screens turn every ride into a first-class experience. Under the hood, Range Rover isn't holding back. The standard powertrain is a silky smooth hybrid V6, pumping out over 400 horsepower. But for those who crave performance, there's also a twin-turbo V8 option that delivers a ferocious 600 horsepower, launching the sedan from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. All this power is kept in check by an adaptive suspension system and all-wheel drive, giving the car incredible balance, even when cornering aggressively or cruising at high speeds. The Range Rover Sedan is also packed with cutting-edge tech. Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities are on board, allowing for hands-free cruising in designated zones. Smart navigation adapts to your habits and traffic patterns, and the advanced driver assist systems keep you safe without feeling intrusive. Even parking is a breeze with the 360-degree camera system and remote parking feature that lets you park the car using just your smartphone. But perhaps the boldest part of this move is the message it sends. Range Rover is signaling that it's not just a luxury SUV brand anymore, it's a luxury vehicle brand, period. By entering the sedan market, they're going head-to-head with giants like the Mercedes S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8, and based on first impressions, they're not just showing up, they're bringing something new to the table. So, is the 2025 Range Rover Sedan just a daring experiment, or the beginning of a new era for the brand? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure: Range Rover has once again pushed the boundaries of luxury and performance, and we're here for it. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this look at the unexpected yet captivating 2025 Range Rover Sedan, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more legendary rides.